Good afternoon, TYBS student. Today we are going to discuss on botany paper 4th, VO 334, semester 3rd, Spermatophyta and Paleobotany. Spermatophyta is nothing but the group of the plants, those having the presence of the flower, and as they have the presence of the flower, they have the capacity to produce the seed, and hence they are known as the Spermatophyta. In the Spermatophyta, there are two groups or the two plant groups are included. These are the gymnosperm and angiosperm. Slight difference in between gymnosperm and angiosperm is there. That is, in case of the angiosperm, flowers are so attractive and angiosperms are found anywhere. That is, they are found in the xeric area, they are found in the water, they are found near to the seashore, and the ovules of the angiosperm are always enclosed in the ovary. But in case of the gymnosperm, there are the typical characters are there. That is, the ovules are not enclosed in the ovary. Ovules are always open. Then there is the absence of vegetative type of reproduction, absence of vessels. One more thing, that is the growth is not faster, that is slow, growth is slow, very slow comparatively, and single fertilization is there, which is the character of the gymnosperm. And in case of this, or in the gymnosperm, in the syllabus, there are two plants are included. One is the pinus and the second one is the nitum. So in today's lecture we are going to discuss on the nitum. That is, nitum is included in the syllabus, and this nitum is nothing but it is transition plants in between the gymnosperm and angiosperm. That is, we can say that this nitum is the large and last plant from the this gymnosperm, because it shows the somewhat character of the angiosperm and somewhat character of the gymnosperm. So it is the transition plant in between the gymnosperm and angiosperm. In case of the leaves, in case of the inflorescence, that is, they are found as like the flowers. So when we observe the nitum, that is, nitum is the plant, it having the simple leaves and it having the presence of such type of the inflorescence. These inflorescence is nothing but they are looks like as a flower, and it having such type of the branching. First of all, we are going to discuss on the classification of the nitum, which is given by the Chamberlain. The class Coniferophyta is there. That is, Coniferophyta means what? The pinus was included in the Coniferophyta. That is, large tree having the woody stem, which is a rough stem, and those are used for the preparation of the railway sleepers. Those are used for the preparation of the timber for their durability. So this pinus was included in the Coniferophyta. So gymnosperm, like the nitum, is also they are included in the Coniferophyta. They have the branching nature. One more thing, they have the simple leaves, and male and female cone are found in the compact nature. Then order is Nettles. The plant body is herbs, shrubs, or the woody climber. Then the leaves are opposite, whorl, and simple, and flowers are unisexual. That is, in the one cone or single cone, there are the microspores or megaspores are found there. That is, the staminal or ovulate strobilus is there. So these leaves are simple in the sense that is, leaf lamina is not dissected into the small leaflet, and at one point there are the two leaves are found opposite to one another. So they are opposite, decussate type of phyllotex is there. Then reproductive organs are somewhat looks like as a inflorescence. They are found in the strobilus. Then family is Nettaceae. So it have the characters, that is, the stalk, which is known as sporangiophores, and these sporangiophores, which looks like as a simple inflorescence like structure, and on this inflorescence like structure there are 8 sporangia are present. Then fertilization is takes place by the pollen tube. One more thing, that is pollen grains, there is the absence of the wings, that is in the pinus there are the presence of the wings, but in case of the pollen grains of the nitum there is the absence of the wings are there. And embryo, as like the dicotyledonous angiosperm, this embryo is with the 2 cotyledons. Then one more thing, that is the lastly genus is the nitum. Nitum ula is the species, Then distribution, habit and habitat of the nitum, that is it includes 30 to 35 species. Those are woody, then shrubs and climbers, and especially the in Indian species of the nitum, these are the climbers. They are found tropical rainforest of the India, and 5 species have been reported. These 5 species are the Nitum contractum. These from they are reported in the India, especially the South Indian hills like the Nilgiri, then Kodaikanal, then Kunnur of the Madras. These are the that is Nitum contractum is found there. Then Nitum nimon have the 6 varieties, and out of these 6, 2 are occurs in the India, and it is Nitum nimon variety brownianum is found in Nagai Hills and Golghati area of Assam, and the Nitum gripti is found in Naga Hills. Then Nitum montarum is found in the Sikkim, Assam, and then woody climbers having the swollen branch at the nodal region, and it is also reported from the Odisha. Then Nitum latifolium having 5 varieties of woody climbers along with the dark green leaves, and occurs in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Then Nitum ula occurs most of the part of India, that is Western Ghat, then Nilgiri Hills, then Palai Hills, Odisha, Godavari district of Andaman and Nicobar. Then habit of this plant, how this plant is looks like. Most of Indian species are woody climbers. They are Nitum ula, Nitum latifolium, Nitum montanum. Some Indian species like Nitum contractum is a shrub, while Nitum nimon is a medium sized tree. When we observe this plant, that is having the stem, and these stem have the leaves like this one. So these leaves have the typical character size like the angiospermic dicotyledons. Here the leaves have the stalk which is known as petiolate. One more thing, leaf lamina is entire, means leaf lamina is not dissected into the small leaflets. So entire leaf lamina is the simple. So it is simple leaf. Leaf lamina is not dissected into the small leaflet. It is petiolate. Entire margin is there, means leaf lamina is not having the ribbing. Ribbed margin is not found there. And acute leaf apex is there, that is pointed leaf apex is there. One more thing, there is the phyllotaxy is there. Phyllotaxy is what? The arrangement of the leaf on the stem, it is known as phyllotaxy. So at one point there are the 2 leaves are found there. It is known as opposite. This leaf is opposite to this, or this leaf is opposite to this. So it is known as opposite decussate type of phyllotaxy. What is meaning of decussate? That is first pair is 90 degree to the next. When we observe this first pair, this pair is arranged like this one, and this pair is arranged like this one. So this pair is 90 degree to the next. So it is known as opposite decussate type of phyllotaxy. This is the character of the Nitum leaf, opposite decussate type of phyllotaxy. They are petiolate, acute leaf apex. Reticulate venation is found in the leaves, that is when you observe this venation, there are the 2 types of the venation, parallel and reticulate. So in case of the Nitum, the reticulate venation is found there. Then stem is there, that is justly I told you, it is climber, it requires the certain support for the growth, and it have the 2 types of the branches. that is branches of unlimited growth, and on these branches of unlimited growth there are the scaly leaves are found there, and these branches, on these branches there are the branches of limited growth is found there. It is converted into the formation of the leaves, and these branches of limited growth gives out the foliage leaves, that is such large leaves, and these are the small leaves. And one more thing, again on the long branches or branches of unlimited growth, there are the such type of the cone or the strobilus is developed. Then these door branches, on these door branches or small branches, at one time there are the 9 to 10 leaves are found there, and branches of unlimited growth, there are cup like pair of scaly leaves are found there on this area. The leaves are also having the two types, that is scaly leaves, they are occurs only the long leaves, and the large leaves which shows the opposite decussate type of phyllotaxy. One more thing, they bears the axillary bud which may converts into the formation of the cone, and the leaves are the petiolate, lamina is lamina shows the reticulate venation, then entire margin is there, pointed lip apex is there. These are the character of these leaves, and these it shows the these nitamula or the nitum shows the character as like the dicotyledonous angiosperm. There is the similarities in between the these nitum gymnosperm and dicotyledonous angiosperm due to its leaf shape and reticulate venation. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay home, have a good day. Thank you very much. Thank you.